Hey guys, in this episode, we're going to be checking out some wireless trailer lights. That's right, wireless. I didn't know until a few days ago myself that these things even existed. Boy, is it going to make life easier on a trailer that needs rewired. Not anymore. We'll just install these and go. This kit was sent over to me by SUPAREE. If you want to get a set for yourself, link down in the description. I'll show you what's in the box. Nice set of instructions. Got a hardware kit, everything you need to charge this thing up with and mount it. I've went ahead and assembled one of these. It comes with the screws and you just bolt it onto the light. There's two different places you can bolt it depending upon how you want it to fit and mount. These mounts are nice, great quality. Got a nice magnet or suction cup, glass, it'll stick right to it. Pretty cool. These are rechargeable to USB-C. They come with a cord that's got a splitter on it, which is really cool. So you can charge both of these units at the same time. That's fantastic. When you plug it in, it's got a battery charge indicator light that will display right here. And if you don't have a wall plug that you can plug those into, the kit does come with a car charger. So we can plug that right in and go from there. Charge on the go. And our, let's see, these are the receivers, so our transmitter. You've got a 7-way connector or 4-way connector, depending upon how your vehicle's set up. On the Chevy Silverado, we'll be using the 7-pin connector. This is pretty nice quality. Got a pairing button on here. And the kit also has additional hardware and plates and cables if you want to cable them up so that they don't fall off. I think the suction cups and magnets are good enough. If your vehicle is made out of plastic or wood, they provide these metal plates that you can bolt on, and then it'll work right there just like that. So, and they're pretty strong magnets. That is a strong magnet. So I don't think they're going to fall off. Now I got to tell you, this is some really good quality stuff. And it all fits in the box. You can fold it up, take it out, reuse it several times, switch back and forth from different vehicles. What's really cool about this is how quick and easy it is to set up. So I've already got the ignition key on. So set them right here for now, where I can get to the power buttons. I'm going to plug this in. And we need to turn these on. 1, 2, 3. And as we can see already, it's working. So, if that isn't the easiest installation I've ever seen or done, you get a trailer, it needs rewired. No, we'll just go ahead and put a set of these on. They work on every trailer you got. So no more fighting which trailer's going to work, which one's not when you plug it up. Just take these with you, keep them in the truck, and you're good to go. Christmas is coming up. Be a good idea if you're interested. Just saying. So let's go ahead. We'll go ahead and run the lights. I'm going to hit the brake lights, regular lights, let you see what they look like. So there's our brake lights. Pretty cool. The regular lights. And then of course you've seen the turn signals. So pretty handy. Not only is the magnet strong, Suction cups are pretty strong too. Excellent job, SUPAREE. These wireless LED trailer lights are where it's at. This kit would be a great accessory to anybody that's got a trailer or thinking about getting a trailer or just want to have them on hand just in case. Got everything you need. Just throw it in the truck and you're good. No more rewiring that trailer at the last minute. Thanks for watching.